Learn and grow. Welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn about the process involved in aerobic and anaerobic respiration, various uses of fermentation, respiratory parts of plants, aquatic animals, earthworm, and humans. Process involved in aerobic respiration. Glucose is completely broken down into carbon dioxide and water by the process of oxidation. Releases considerable amount of energy, which is stored as ATP. This is the equation for the process of aerobic respiration. Glucose undergoes glycolysis process, which releases pyruvate, and again pyruvate in the presence of oxygen gives carbon dioxide, water, and 38 ATP molecules. Pyruvate releases pyruvic acid, which has 3 molecules of carbon, 4 molecules of hydrogen, and 3 molecules of oxygen. In eukaryotic organism, some part of aerobic respiration occurs in cytoplasm and the remaining part occurs in mitochondria. In the cytoplasm where the respiration occurs is called glycolysis. That is, glucose is broken down into pyruvic acid. So, we said the remaining part occurs in mitochondria, isn't it? So that is called Krebs cycle. Pyruvic acid broken down into ATP molecules. ATP molecules is nothing but energy. That is, in the presence of oxygen, all this taken place. Next is the process involving anaerobic respiration. The major site of anaerobic respiration is cytoplasm. In microorganisms like yeast breaks down glucose to obtain energy along with ethanol and carbon dioxide. This energy is then used by microorganisms. Thus, a less amount of energy which gets stored as ATP molecule is produced. The equation for anaerobic respiration: glucose again undergoes glycolysis process and which releases pyruvate, that is, it gives pyruvic acid, and in the absence of oxygen. In aerobic respiration, we need oxygen, but for anaerobic respiration, we do not require oxygen. So, in the absence of oxygen, it gives ethanol and carbon dioxide and ATP. Do you see the difference here? Aerobic respiration, it releases 38 ATP molecules, whereas in anaerobic respiration, it just gives 2 molecules of ATP, which means here the energy produced is very lesser than the aerobic respiration. Glycolysis: in anaerobic respiration, glucose is initially broken down into pyruvic acid in the cytoplasm by the process of glycolysis. Same again, pyruvic acid further broken down into ethanol or lactic acid in the absence of oxygen by microorganisms like yeast, bacteria, etc. Example: fermentation process, that is, microorganisms produce alcohol. Anaerobic respiration takes place in human muscle cells after vigorous exercises produce lactic acid, which may result in cramps. Then let's see about the uses of fermentation. So, the fermentation process is used in various industries like brewing industry, baking industry, for producing vinegar synthesis, rotting of fibers, curd and yogurt making, and aromatization of tobacco. Like this various field, we can see the photosynthesis and respiration, where carbon dioxide from the stomata diffuses into the leaves and finally into the cells. Respiration in plants. Major parts of plants are stem, root, and leaves. So, in the leaves and stem, they require stomata, tiny aeration pores for their respiration. Whereas the root, which is growing just below the soil. So, how do they get oxygen? So, they possess root hairs. The presence of root hairs, they absorb oxygen, which is available in the soil particle. When we classify the stem, we can speak about soft and woody stem. So there are the soft stem are called herbaceous stem, whereas the strong, tough stem is called woody stem. For herbaceous stem, as like leaf, they use stomata, but the woody stem they uses small stomata-like structure which is present and loosely packed in the bark of the trees, which we can see. That is called lenticels. These lenticels, as like stomata, they perform their respiration process. Mail what have you learned to grow Python profile at gmail.com. Keep learning.